If you like this video, please consider supporting the Oto Kano channel over on Patreon. Thank you. Hey there, today is a very exciting day. It is the day of my handmade watercolor paints launch. You guys have been so patient while I made these paints for you, and I hope you guys like it as much as I have enjoyed the process. In this launch we have 11 colors. 8 of them are colors you've seen before in my previous launch, and we also have 3 brand new colors for this season. They are all handmade by myself using the best pigments I could find, and they are all artist quality paints. They are just so packed with pigments. They also have Scottish heather honey in them, so they will be so easy to re-wet. All except the Ultramarine Blue has ox gold in them as well, so they have a really lively character to them that will be fun to paint with. So let's go through the colors. First up we have Vermillion U, and this is one of the new colors. It is a very bright orange color that has a lot of punch to it. It is made out of the pigments PR4, PY1 and PW21. It mixes beautifully with other colors, and you can check out the color chart with all the color mixes over on my website on otokano.com. Next up we have the Ultramarine Violet pink, and you've seen me mold this paint. It is made out of the pigment PR259. It's a semi-transparent granulating color. I love this color. It's a soft violety pink, which is quite versatile in your palette. Next we have the Manganese Violet, and it is made out of PV15, and it is a granulating semi-opaque color that has excellent light fastness. And the first 2 colors I mentioned, as well as all the colors in this launch, all have excellent light fastness. This is a very heavily granulating manganese violet, so if you are looking for an adventure with granulation, this color is ideal for you. Next up is a new color called Potter's Pink. I knew that the Daniel Smith Potter's Pink was very hard to re-wet, so I wanted to create an easy to re-wet version, and with the addition of that Scottish heather honey, it is a very easy to re-wet color. It is a semi-opaque and heavily granulating color. Next up is Venetian Red, and this color has the strongest tinting strength of any colors that I've ever made. It is a deep opaque red that is non-granulating. I know it looks quite similar in the video with the Potter's Pink, however they are very different in that Potter's Pink, besides the difference in hue, is a heavily granulating color, whereas the Venetian Red is not a granulating color. Then we have my favorite, the Ultramarine Blue, and this is made out of PB29. As you know, all my colors have ox gold in them except for this color, and that was a decision that I made on purpose, as I wanted a blue that could be as intense as I can make it, and because the ox gold disperses paint over water, that thins out the color, and that is why this color does not have ox gold. I'm very proud of this color, and last time this sold out incredibly fast. Next we have Zirconium Cerulean, and this was the second best-selling color in the last launch. It is made out of PB71, and this is a great alternative to Cerulean if you are worried about the toxicity of genuine Cerulean. It is an opaque and granulating color. Next is Verona Green Earth. It is made out of the pigment PG23, a semi-transparent and lightly granulating color. I love this color for landscape paintings. It is a versatile muted green that can morph into a wide range of shades of green. If you are looking for a much fresher green though, then why not give the Malachite a go? This is an opaque granulating color, and it is a much brighter tone than the Verona Green Earth. The two of them actually go very well together. The Malachite is a very delicate, soft green that is beautiful to paint with. Next we have buff titanium, and you guys just saw me mold this in a video which I will link in the top right hand corner for you. And so many of you guys said it reminded you of cake batter and crepe batters and vanilla fudge, and how much you guys wanted to eat it. It is a lovely soft creamy color. It is made out of the pigment PW6:1. It is a opaque non-granulating color, and it mixes very well with other colors to create lovely soft palettes. And we finish off with another brand new color. This one is Persian Yellow. This is equivalent to a yellow ochre, and I developed this paint because I was trying to do some urban sketching with my handmade watercolors, and I realized I really needed a yellow ochre in my palette. Yellow ochre is incredibly useful in urban sketching, especially if you live in Edinburgh where every building is made out of sandstone. I really like this yellow ochre. It's a nice bright yellow ochre rather than a muddy color. It mixes beautifully with other colors to create a slightly muted soft palette. That is the 11 colors I am launching on my website today. If you head on over to otokano.com and follow the link for art supplies, you will see the paints listed there. Now, I'm not saying this because I want it to affect the sales in any way, but I wanted to give you a early warning that after this launch I am seriously considering not doing another launch, certainly not for a very long time. The reasons for that I will go into further detail in a vlog at a future date very soon, I promise. But our life circumstances are changing soon, which makes selling of paints on a commercial basis a very difficult thing to do. I'm not going to quit making paints because it's so much fun to do and I love doing it and it's so relaxing. However, it will be just for myself and maybe a few friends. So for the foreseeable future, certainly, and probably forever, this will be the last chance you have to buy these paints. And again, I'm not saying this to make you want to buy it. It's just a early warning so that it's not a surprise later on. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing these colors, and I look forward to seeing you in my online shop, which is otokano.com. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!